Hi everyone, I am Daisy and you are watching Balloon Daisy Clown. Today we are making summer balloon animals for beginners. We've already made a snail, a butterfly and a ladybug, and today I'll show you step by step how to make a beautiful flower out of just one long balloon. Let's go! Inflate the balloon and tie the knot. The link to the How to Tie a Balloon for Beginners guide is in the description. How to make the center. Let's make an apple twist. Push the knot inside the balloon with your index finger. Grab it from the other side with your other hand and twist. Lightly push the knot toward the center. Now for the petals. Twist 6 small bubbles. Twist the second and 6 bubbles together. Insert the center into the hole you've just created. Next, let's make the stem and the leaves. Twist 2 pinch twists and straighten the balloons. Simple and easy, do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Yours Daisy, bye.